Here's the latest innovation from the clever people at the Kangertech factory. It's a clear atomizer, 2.5mm capacity, dual coil device with variable airflow. It goes by the name of Aerotank.
Okay, so let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, so here's the review of the Kangertech Aerotank. As you can see, it's nicely presented in this box, and on the back you can see it has a quick start guide. It tells you what's in the box and how it all fits together. And here you can see the anti-counterfeit code, which you scratch off, enter on the website and check that it is a genuine Kangertech product. So I'll just open it up, and there it is. Nice sturdy box. It opens from the side. And in here is a little leaflet which just shows you again how it pieces together, how you fill it up, and also the product authenticity card. Gives you the website details, and in the box it's got a clear plastic cover that just holds it all neatly in place. So just take that off there, and you can see it contains the collar or beauty ring, and the two dual coil heads. You can see they are 2 ohms, and you can see the wicks at the side here, like a double layer. I'll just turn that over so you can see those. That's 2 of those, and here's the tank itself. Looks very smart. It's stainless steel, this removable mouthpiece or drip tip, and this is the variable airflow control, which you just twist to either cover the air holes for a tighter draw or turn it the other way to reveal the air holes. Don't know if you can see those there around the edges. It's much easier to have a draw from. The base here is sealed, unlike the ProTank 2, which has the airflow holes at the bottom there. Obviously with this one you don't need them, you've got the control up here. I'll just take it apart on screws. Fully rebuildable. That's the stainless steel top. Here's the tube, Pyrex, very hard wearing, robust. And there's the base. So it's very simple to fit together. There's no glue, just slot the tube in there and screw the bottom on. Dead simple. There it is. Just put the drip tip back on. I'll just show you here how to fill it up. That's the base. Remove that. You just pour the liquid down the side, avoid that hole in the middle there. Very easy to fill up. Has a 2.5mm capacity. I've just put the coil in, just screws into the base. Don't screw it too tight, just hand tight. And there's your unit. So the base just screws onto the tank. Again, not too tight, just hand tight. We'll get no leakage from these and no burnt taste. So I shall just take the collar here, screw that onto the battery and screw the tank onto the top. And there we go. Looks very nice on the silver battery too. So, let's see how it vapes.
To maximise the experience fully from an Aerotank, you need to use it in conjunction with a variable voltage battery. For illustration purposes, we've demoed it on 3.3 volts, 4 volts and 4.8. The variable airflow system really allows you to tweak your torque so that you can make it a nice stiff draw if that's what you prefer, or just really airy on a high voltage. The dual coil means that it works extra well if you've got a mod kit which goes over 4.8 volts. We find with a single coil, the wick in the middle will dry on the higher voltages, which reduces the life and also the kind of taste that you get from your liquid. As you can see, naturally, the 4.8 volt gives the most vapour production, the most throat hit, but the best flavour really we found was around 4.2, 4.3 volts. That concludes the review video. Thanks for watching.